Hi everybody, I hope you're all well and you've had a great week. I've been browsing this humongous cookies book that Trish, you sent me this, Patricia Diamond. I was browsing it and I found something that I'd really like to try. Lime cookies. Ooh. Look at them though, look. They're like Fox's creams. Is it Fox's or Fox? Fox's creams, you know, that kind of sandwich. Can I replicate that? That's the question. I'm going to give it a good go, I tell you that for nothing. So, with that in mind, I'm going to leave the book here because I'm going to refer to it. It obviously doesn't have any air fryer instructions, but I'm just going to wing it. It does give oven instructions, and we're sort of try and, yeah, let's not burn them. So here are the ingredients. Come and have a look. I do have to say the smell coming off this is lovely because we've got lime zest and lime juice. So the ingredients will float up here, but it actually looks really simple. So let's get started and get cooking. So the recipe says beat the sugar and the butter. I am using Marge for cost breakdown benefits because it's a lot cheaper. Until light and fluffy. But you know, if you gave this a go and you wanted to use butter, use butter. But it's, yeah, let's be interested to see how these turn out. So it says add the rind, and this rind is for the filling, so, and this rind is for the actual biscuits. I'm going to mix one at a time. Oh, it smells beautiful. Lime juice, egg, already beaten. I'm just going to mix that in before I add the flour. Even just as a, forget about the filling, just as biscuits, I bet these would taste absolutely, delicious. I mean, it smells beautiful. So I'm going to get these into a piping bag. It didn't say anything about a piping bag. It just said equal parts, you know, using a spoon. But I just thought it might be easier when dolloping it onto the parchment paper. In the air fryers. I mean, that looks beautiful, doesn't it? With the rind. Oh. Let's start the first batch. We'll try and fit 6 into the next one. So let's get these in. So the book says 175 or 350, but let's obviously knock a few off and see what happens. Oh, for how long? That's preheat. Where is it? For 12 to 14 minutes. Oh, let's do 165. I'm completely winging it. 10 minutes, but we'll check them. Oh, let's just turn it off. Match, bake. Oh, that doesn't do the 5s. Oh, Ninja's a little bit more intense than Cosori, so we'll just, yeah. So the Cosori's at 165 and this is at 160. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, I'm just going to add some minutes. Oh yeah. They're looking alright though. Yeah, let's add, I don't know, I'm completely winging it, but we'll check them. So we're going to add some minutes to the Ninja, I think. Yeah, just a few. Right, see you in a bit. Right, let's check. Ooh. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to flip these, but I'm going to have to let them cool to harden. They're not browning evenly, are they? Let's add another minute. Or 2. Right, let's check the Cosori. Oh yeah. Okay, well I'm going to leave these to cool before I flip them, if I need to, because I'm not sure. But it does say on the recipe book, let them cool in position, because obviously it's assuming it's in an oven tray, and then put them on a cooling rack. But I need to check if I can flip them, so I'll be back to do that in 2 or 3 minutes or more. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, same thing. Gonna let these cool before I flip them. So just get you up to speed. I've done a bit more squirty bits, you know, fresh biscuits. That's in drawer 1. In drawer 2, I flipped everything. That was in drawer 1 and just added it to drawer 2, so that needs to be done a little longer. You know, I flipped them the other way round. So in fact, let's put them on. Let's just see 3 minutes, see what that does. And now the Cosori. So I flipped these. They didn't need as much in the terms of time as the Ninja ones. They were like almost like that. So I just finished off a minute after flipping them. So let's get these out, because I can put these on the what do you call it, cooling rack. So while they're cooling, I thought I'd make the filling. So add the butter and the icing sugar. Well, I'm just going to add the lime. And then it says 2 teaspoons of lime juice. That's 1 teaspoon. I'm just going to mix that in. Right, that's the filling done. So I'm just going to wait The second batch are in the Ninjas and Cosoris, and then once all the cookies are completely cool, we're going to fill them and then taste test. See you in a bit. Right, they've all cooled down. I mean, they look a little bit like that. They don't really look like the picture in the book, but I'm actually really happy with them. And I've just tasted the filling, and oh, tastes absolutely delicious. So I'm just going to squirt the filling. It's coming out a bit, the juice. Yeah, the lime juice must make it a bit runny. Well, I did go a bit crazy by accidentally, a bit of a mess, but I think they look great. Right, let's have a taste test. Ooh. Oh, excuse my glasses. A bit messy, but I'm delighted with them, I've got to be honest. It's all the all-important taste test. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, the lime. Oh. Ooh. Well, the lime mixture filling, oh, it's the most delicious thing I've ever tasted. It's just delicious lime. Oh. And the biscuit, I mean cookie biscuit, yeah. Oh. Mmm. Oh, I would have a cup of tea with this, but our kettle broke. So I haven't got a kettle right this minute, but this is the best biscuit I've ever made, and I don't think I've made that many biscuits, but I love this, and it actually was really easy. Oh, it's so easy. Oh, it was great to try something. Excuse me. I will finish that off. I just wanted to say thanks everybody for watching. Patricia Diamond, who gave me the book and also gave a super thanks. Thank you so much for that, Trish. I really appreciate it. That's so generous of you. Thank you very much. Thanks everybody for watching, and thanks to my Patreons and anyone who watches to the end. Thank you. Take care everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good weekend. Bye.